Hello friends, welcome again to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can configure dual SIM card settings on your CT200 device. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now without any delay, let's get started.